Is your Blooket account email a relic of the past? Let's get it updated and secure. First things first, you'll need to log into your Blooket account on the website. Once you're in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Account Settings and click on that to access your account management page. Now we're in the heart of your account settings. You should see a section for your email address. Notice the option to change or edit it. Select that to proceed. A prompt will appear, asking you to enter your new email address. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos. You'll likely need to confirm the new email by typing it in a second time, just to be absolutely sure. Once you've confirmed your new email, Blooket will send a verification link to that address. You'll see a message on your screen letting you know it's been sent. Head over to your email inbox. For the new address, you should find a verification email from Blooket. Open it up and click on the verification link, provided this step is crucial to confirm you own this new email address. After clicking the verification link, you'll be redirected back to Blooket, and your account settings will now reflect your updated email address. Congratulations! Your Blooket account is now linked to its fresh new email. Stay tuned for more Blooket tips and tricks.